don't be frustrated with your group. Just follow your group, and then I hope you are going down safely. Because over there is the route is a little bit slippery. So for the shoes, be careful, and then also will be for your shoes. So better after this, if you are tired, you can tell to one of your tour guiding in order to another one will be continued, and then another one will be staying there until you are finished. And then from here to get in bottom of the waterfall takes around 1/2 hour or 2 hours.